Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to set a featured image for your WordPress post. Why would you want to know how to set a featured image for your WordPress post? Well, maybe it is your first time using WordPress and not sure how to set a featured image for your WordPress post. So today I am going to show you how to set a featured image for your WordPress post. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Setting a featured image for your WordPress post is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will set a featured image for your WordPress post. First of all, open WordPress in your Chrome browser, and now here is my WordPress home screen. And then move your mouse cursor to post in the left menu and then click on all posts. Now in this page, first select a post and then scroll down right menu and click on featured image. Now click on set featured image and select a file from your computer and click on set featured image. And now click on publish and your featured image has been published. So there you go. If you were wondering how to set a featured image for your WordPress post, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.